When? Negative 9,600 years. Event. The post-Ice Age climate became warmer and drier in California. Reference. National Park Service. Creosote tree. Notes. Junipers retreated to the nearby mountains, and the creosote bush evolved from the Sonoran Desert to replace them. They thrived in the arid conditions and soon outcompeted other plants to dominate the landscape. Earth's air relative capacity for water increases dramatically as it warms, so warming the air effectively dries it out, as the static quantity of water in the air becomes a decreasing percentage of the total capacity. When? Negative 9,500 years. Event. Mesolithic Epipaleolithic period ended and Neolithic period begins. Reference. Wikipedia. Prehistory. When? Negative 9,500 years. Event. Height of Atlantis according to Egyptian records that Plato says Solon translated. Reference. Overly sarcastic productions. Atlantis. Notes. Atlantis legend. Plato's evidence is the only we've ever seen. It was supposed to be bigger than Texas or Spain. When? Negative 9,500 years. Event. The Göbekli Tepe complex in southeastern Anatolia, Turkey is constructed. Reference. CNN Göbekli Tepe. Notes. Our findings suggest that major architectural transformations during this period, such as the transition from rectangular architecture, were knowledge-based top-down processes carried out by specialists, said Gilgal1, Israel Antiques Authority. When? Negative 9,400 years. Event. Figs domesticated in the ancient village of Gilgal in the Jordan Valley. Reference. Atlas Pro. Fruit Geography. Notes. Predating the cultivation of wheat or rye, this may have been the first example of humans practicing agriculture. When? Negative 9,400 years to negative 9,200 years. Event. Figs are cultivated in the early Neolithic village Gilgal1 in the Jordan Valley, 13 kilometers north of Jericho. Reference. Wikipedia. Prehistory. Notes. The find predates the domestication of wheat, barley, and legumes and may be the first known instance of agriculture. These figs are parthenocarpic and therefore sterile. Plants sometimes develop seedless fruits or separate their fruit and seed when a predator is eating all of their fruits. Date uncertain but within range. Donate on Patreon.